Good morning and welcome to the Blue Kitchen. I'm about to make dinner. I know that sounds crazy, but we have a really busy day today and I am gonna start dinner even before I start breakfast. So I'll take you on the journey to see what I'm doing. As I said, it is 7:54 a.m. and I'm gonna start dinner. Here's what I'm using. I've got my handy dandy crock pot. I've had this thing for years. It's given to me, I think, as a birth gift for giving birth to my son. An older lady from the church. I believe I've had it so long I can't even remember where I got it from, but it has been a blessing in this family. I'm doing crockpot lasagna. And so what I do, I can't do it all with one hand, and I don't have my little tripod thing today. So I'll just show you step by step. How about that? The first thing I'm going to do is, this is the ricotta cheese. I use part skim. I'm going to pour a little more than half in here. Never mind. I'm going to pour all of it in. I'll just set the rest aside if I have to and make another one. But this, I do want some on the top, so I'm going to pinch this bag right here so that doesn't come out. So you want to put about 2/3 in your bowl. This is a 16 ounce. And then what I definitely cannot do is crack an egg with one hand. I am not skilled like that, people. So I'm going to crack the egg, put it in here, and mix it all up. For seasoning, I'm just going to put a little bit of black pepper in here. I'm trying to stay away from any added salt, so I won't be doing that. And then you're just going to give it a nice stir. Make sure you break up that egg very well. Get that in here, and I will show you the next step. And that's how my mixture looks. Okay, next you're gonna move on to your noodles. Now, with my noodles, as you can see, they do not fit in my crock pot. So what I have to do is just break it in half, and I set them on the bottom like that. It's not gonna, see, I have my whole plate here. It's not gonna be perfect, but I get to cover a little bit more. Okay, so that's what I do there. But you know, so what I'm gonna do now is, first I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce at the bottom, spaghetti sauce. Then I'm gonna put one layer of noodles, and then 1 scoop of the cheese, and I'm just gonna keep altering like that. Some sauce, cheese. As you can see, this is a meatless lasagna today because we have drama this evening and I have to school, and then I've got to make sure everyone's showered, and it's just gonna start becoming hectic. I already have one up behind me putting on his timer for school, so alright, here we go. Okay, so I have my spaghetti sauce down. I'm going to layer out my crock pot. Then I'm going to go over here, grab a spoon full of the cheese mixture. And this is, you know, you don't have to be artistic with this at all. This is definitely going to be a set it and forget it. I will be here, but I have so much other stuff going on that I will not be able to get into this kitchen later on today. Okay. So I have layered that. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of sauce. I'm going to try to do this with one hand, but I don't want it to splatter all over. Okay, just a little sauce. Okay, cheese. And you're just going to keep repeating the same process. I'm just going to show you one more time what I do here. If you are on a budget, pasta is definitely the way to go. I love it. See, this one has a little point on the end. I'm going to break that off so it fits better. And just leave that over here on the side. And I'm going to finish this off. Okay, I just wanted to show you something. If you wanted to add a pop of color to this and add some vegetables, because it's breakfast, I have this out for my omelet. My spinach, you can add a layer of spinach. It can be whole leaves like this. It'll cook down nicely. Or you can chop it up and add it in your cheese mixture. And then when you put the cheese in, it'll, go with every layer. But I'm going to leave that layer just like as it is right now. And I'm going to continue on. And there you have it. The last layer was my noodles. Then spaghetti sauce. And then I just put the shredded cheese in. So I'm going to go ahead and plug her in now. Put on her lid. Let me see. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put it on low. Low would give you about 8 hours. High is going to cook in about 4 hours. I'm going to be here. I'm going to be busy. Super busy. So I've got this going. And that took all but, 15 minutes. I started at 7:55 and it's like 8:10 now. Look at the bottom one here, 8:10. My son does his school and he uses the timer. But 15 minutes. You got crockpot lasagna. You don't have to worry about it. It was kind of a set it and forget it type of meal. I'll come back around 4 o'clock and check on it and serve dinner at 5 and be out of here. So this is my breakfast this morning. I'm having some steamed broccoli left over from yesterday, 1 scrambled egg, and a half a banana. No rhyme or reason to the banana. I just know that my little guy is going to like the other half, so I'm setting that aside for him. And dinner's going next to me in the crock pot. And it is 8:26, so I started cooking at 7:55 this morning, and already I have breakfast and dinner already prepared. The time is 4:14. It has been 8 hours and 15 minutes. So let's check on the lasagna. And here it is. Ta-da! Bubbling. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is what we're having for dinner today, along with maybe a side salad or something. I'm not too for sure as far as the vegetables. I know we had some broccoli left over from yesterday. So, yep, meatless lasagna with a side of vegetables. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off. That's what it is. And you just kind of want to slice it down to the bottom. I know some people have the crock pot that's more oval. Mine is circular with lots of depth. So this just helps me to scoop it out better. So in case you want to make it, this is what I do. And then I just scoop it out like that and serve it on the plate. And along with that, we'll have some salad. And there you have it. Tonight's dinner, meatless crockpot lasagna and a tossed salad with some ribbon carrots.